3 toilet mistakes you are making. Often, we use the toilet without taking note of important things that should or should not happen. There are some things that should not be done in a toilet according to Healthy and Below are some. 1. Staying long in the restroom. Ever spent so long on the toilet that people start wondering what is wrong? We get it. It's quiet in the bathroom. You can actually lock the door and sit uninterrupted with a magazine, book, or, more likely, a smartphone. But you really need to find another spot for a little me time. Sitting perched in that position too long puts extra stress on the veins in the lowest part of your rectum. If those veins swell or bulge, it can cause hemorrhoids. In many cases, hemorrhoids usually clear up within a week, but in the meantime, can be itchy, uncomfortable, and are the most common cause of rectal bleeding. If you see any bright red spots on your stool or toilet paper after you wipe, talk to your doctor to make sure the bleeding isn't a symptom of colon cancer or another serious condition. He or she may also suggest over-the-counter creams or ointments to treat persistent and painful hemorrhoids. 2. Pushing too hard. Straining and holding your breath to get the stubborn stool out not only ups the pressure on the veins down there, boosting your risk of hemorrhoids, but may also lead to anal fissures. These tiny tears in the tissue that lines your butthole can occur when you force out large and hard, constipated poop. To help keep stool soft for an easier exit, up to your fiber intake, drink plenty of fluids, and stay active. Regular physical activity increases muscle activity in your intestines. To perhaps ease the need to strain, try squatting for a few seconds. That position naturally aligns the intestinal tract in a way that may help move things along with less effort. 3. Not looking at your poop. Of course, it's gross, but seeing what comes out can hint at what's happening on your insides. Soft, smooth, and sausage-shaped stool is a sign of good gastrointestinal health. Soft blobs with clear-cut edges are fine too. But if your deposits are hard and lumpy, you may need to up your fiber and fluid intake. Poo that exits like pee, on the other hand, could be caused by a mild case of food poisoning or food intolerance, an infection, or signal more serious conditions, such as Crohn's or celiac disease. Floaters are most often due to poor absorption of nutrients or too much gas in your digestive tract. Pencil-thin bowel movements could indicate colon cancer. Keep an eye on the contents of your bowl, and talk to your doctor if you notice bright red or jet black stool, a sign of bleeding, as well as any big and persistent changes to your bowel movements. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.